Welcome back, dear viewers, to another eye-opening episode of Spiritual Dude. Today, we're delving deep into the fascinating realm of the mind and how our thoughts shape our reality. If you've ever wondered how you can harness the power of your thoughts to manifest your dreams, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the profound concept that you become everything you think about. Have you ever stopped to consider just how much your thoughts influence your life? It's not just some philosophical idea. It's a fundamental truth that governs our existence. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind this truth and learn how to transform your life by transforming your thoughts. At the end of this video, you'll be able to recognize your true power, which was completely unseen before. Now let's start the video. The power of your mind. Let's kick things off by understanding the incredible power your mind holds. Your thoughts are like seeds, and your mind is the fertile ground. What you sow, you shall reap. Just as a farmer carefully selects the best seeds for a bountiful harvest, you too can choose your thoughts wisely. Start by acknowledging your limitless potential and believing in yourself. The transformation begins within. Now, here's the key to unlocking your true potential. It all starts within you. By cultivating self-confidence, self-compassion, and gratitude, you create a solid foundation for manifesting the life you desire. Visualize yourself achieving your goals. See it, feel it, and believe it. Your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to build the future you dream of. Overcoming challenges. We all face challenges, but it's how we respond that matters. When faced with adversity, don't let negative thoughts take over. Instead, focus on solutions and positive possibilities. Remember, the universe is always conspiring in your favor when you trust the process and maintain a mindset of success and abundance. Take control of your thoughts. You are the master of your thoughts and, consequently, your destiny. Don't let external opinions or societal expectations dictate your reality. Break free from societal conditioning and embrace the truth. You have the power to choose your thoughts and beliefs. Be bold in your vision and dare to dream big. Action and alignment. Remember, it's not just about thinking positively. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Your thoughts are the seeds, your emotions are the water, and your actions are the sunlight that makes everything grow. Take consistent and inspired steps toward your goals. Be persistent and never give up. Maintain a mindset of success and abundance at all times. The universe responds. Here's a profound truth. The universe responds to your vibrations. Stay in the frequency of what you want to attract. As you become more aware of the power of your thoughts, you'll realize there are no limits to what you can achieve. Be daring in your goals and believe in your ability to manifest the life you desire. Responsibility and gratitude. With great power comes great responsibility. You are the author of your destiny. Take responsibility for your thoughts and consciously cultivate a mindset of positivity and empowerment. Embrace gratitude as a transformative practice. Shift your focus from scarcity to abundance and watch how blessings flow into your life. Visualization and language. Visualization is a powerful tool. Imagine yourself living your dream life and feel the excitement as if it's already your reality. Be mindful of your language. Your words shape your reality. Replace self-limiting phrases with empowering statements and watch your world change. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences that support your growth. Seek out mentors, read inspiring books, and engage with communities that align with your goals. Share your knowledge and experiences with others, and inspire them to tap into their own creative power. As we wrap up this enlightening journey, remember, you become what you think about. Your thoughts are the architects of your reality. Embrace the understanding that you are the master of your life. Your thoughts are the seeds of your destiny. So, choose them wisely. Thank you for joining us today on Spiritual Dude. If this video has inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more empowering content. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality through your thoughts. Choose empowering thoughts. Align them with positive emotions and take inspired action towards your dreams. Until next time, keep believing, keep manifesting, and keep becoming everything you dream of. Take care.